So first of all, I will like to give a huge shout out to Star Zodiac 365, Alan Williams, AH Sultrix for commenting on my video, and Femina Riaz for subscribing to my channel. So thank you for supporting me. So here you can see the website that I just created, and I have shown the procedure of complete website design in this video. So I will provide the link of this video in the description. So if you want to see how I built this beautiful website, then you can watch that video. So here you can see complete website, and also I have added the videos over here from my YouTube channel. So I have used YouTube data API for this, so it will automatically fetch the latest videos and show 7 of them over here. So I have also recorded a video on this, so I have not posted that currently, but I will publish that video before posting this video that I am currently recording. So if you want to see that how I used the YouTube API and created this videos page, then you can watch that video. So now let's move forward with the video. So this is the plugin that we will use, so we will install it and activate. So now we will go to the plugin, and here we will have to add the portfolio. So we have to write the name. So slug is the URL, so we will just type portfolio over here. So when we will go to kashifmemo.com/portfolio, then we will be able to see the page. And here we can maybe write portfolio items because it's for the plural, and then for singular we can just use portfolio item, and we will click on add post type. Now we will click on edit post types, and here you can see the post type that we created. Now we will scroll down, and we don't need to change anything from here. So we can turn on this X script, so we can set the custom meta descriptions, and here you can turn on the categories and tags if you want. So I can turn on the categories one, and I will click on save post type. So now when we will go to view post types, we will see this post type that we just created. And now when you will scroll up, you will see this portfolio items over here. So here you can add new portfolio items. So we have created the custom post type. So let's add our demo content over here. I will click on update. So now let's view the portfolio item, and here you can see we are not able to view it. And when we go to the portfolio page where it should show all the portfolio items, so it's not working as well. So this is because we have not designed the front end. When we create a custom post type, then we will have to create the main page, and then we will have to create the single post page. So for that we will go to the dashboard. So first of all we will have to create the portfolio page, and then we will create the single portfolio page. So for that we will go to pages, and we will click on add new. So we will create a page named portfolio, and we will click on publish. Now we will click on edit with Elementor. So as we have created the page, and if we go to the page and we don't see anything, it's because we have not designed it. So now we will work on the design, and here we will have to use a widget. So drag and drop the post widget, and under query we will select, also here we will select portfolio item first, and here you can see the post that we added. So now I have clicked on update, and I will view the page. So now if we open it, so now we see this error because we have not added the single post page. So when we will add a new portfolio item, then it will automatically show that on this page. So let's try that out. So we will add a portfolio item. So here you can see the new one over here as well. So now let's create the single post page for portfolio. So now we will create single portfolio page. So for that we will have to go to templates, and here we will click on add new, and here we will have to select single post, and here we will write the name for the template, single portfolio. So we will create the template. So here we will have to first add the post title, and we can also add the featured image. So this is the featured or feature only in Elementor Pro and not in the free one. So here you will have to, we can add the post content. So you can also add the post info if you want, so it will show the author name and the date time in the comments, but I don't want to add that. So I have added the featured image, title and the description, and then we can add social shares maybe. So we can make them icons. So here we can change it to custom, and we will color like white maybe, and we will click on publish, add condition, and here we will have to select the portfolio items all. So we will click on save. So now let's go to the website, and before that we will have to add the portfolio page in the menu as well. So we will go to appearance, menus, and we will add this portfolio page to the menu. And now let's visit the website, go to the portfolio page, and here we see the portfolio items, and when we will click on them we will see the project title, project description. We have not added the project description, I think so. So we will edit it, and here we will write anything. We will update and go to the page, and so here you can see the test. So we have successfully added the page. If you want to create a complete website like this website, then you can see this video of mine where I've shown you the complete procedure. So I have also created several videos on complete websites design. So for that you can go to complete WordPress website tutorial, and here you can see the videos like I've created a Fiverr like website, a startup company website, architecture website, real estate website, e-commerce website, and another e-commerce website using the Woodmart theme, and then this portfolio website in this video. So I will provide all of the links in the description and the comment section, so you can see that if you like to see any other similar tutorial. So you can also subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video with your friends to support me. As you can see, I have created my web development portfolio website. I am also providing web design services. So if you want to get your website done, you can contact me. So I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork and level 2 on Fiverr. So I can provide you WordPress, Shopify and other web development services for your website. So you can just contact me if you need any help or want to create your website. So thank you for watching this video. See you next time.